Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set Lexus memory seat. Start by adjusting your seat, lumbar, mirrors, and steering wheel to a comfortable position, including pedals if needed. Press and hold the SET button until you hear an audible chime, then press the memory button you want, 1 or 2. Move the seat and press the same button to confirm it returns to your saved setup. Many Lexus models provide dual memory profiles, so 2 drivers can store seat, mirror, and steering wheel positions. In some vehicles, the key fob is linked to a driver profile for automatic adjustments when you unlock the car. To save, set your preferred positions, press SET until you hear the chime, then press 1 or 2. Always verify the position by pressing the memory button after saving to ensure it recalls correctly. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like the video to help us make more helpful car tutorials. Quick recommendation: I enjoyed The Simple Path to Wealth, a straightforward book that can change how you think about money and budgeting for car ownership. It pairs nicely with practical car care advice, believe it or not. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your Lexus memory seat fails to save, first confirm the ignition is on and doors are closed, then try again. A weak key fob battery can stop the vehicle from linking to a profile, so replace it if needed. If settings still won't store, check fuses and consult the owner manual for model-specific reset steps or diagnostic tips, and consider visiting a dealer if electrical issues persist for a definitive fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.